Hello, today I'd like to introduce you to a very special language, the Igbo language. Very unique language because each word has a verb embedded in it, and of course verbs are action words, so if you can read the verb you can tell what that word represents. For example, the word for sun, awu, contains a verb that suggests it means the immortal. And the word for earth contains a verb that suggests that it means that which is permanent. So how can we use this to expand our consciousness? How can we use this to enrich our lives? So if we look at the sentence, we live here on earth where the sun rises in the morning and sets at night. We can use this technology to rephrase it as, we live here in the permanence where the immortal rises in the morning and sets at night. Thank you. Thank you.